Hi guys, come and get ready with me. We are going to my son's open house, and so I'm just gonna do my skincare because I just got out of the shower, but I have an updated skincare routine. So the first thing that I want to apply to my face is I'm actually using Bioma's Hydrate and Repair Milky Toner right now, and I love this. I feel like I have been breaking out so bad for the past couple weeks, and like I'm telling you guys, instantly after I used this, I feel like my skin is so much more hydrated and the acne has definitely improved, the texture overall, all of that. So I really like this toner that I'm using currently right now. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the Good Molecules Hyaluronic Acid, and I'm just gonna do like 2 drops. I know I look crazy right now, but I promise I'll look better in a bit. Next up, I'm going in with the Niacinamide by Good Molecules. Just put that all over my face. And I like to put it down my neck as well. Don't forget your neck, guys. I think it's so important to hydrate your neck, moisturize your neck. Next up, I'm going in with the Vitamin C Serum Complexion from, I think it's Natrium. I feel like it makes a big difference with like my spots. I feel like my skin has definitely gotten brighter, and just overall, it's helped with a lot of my scarring. Van Snail Peptide Eye Cream by the Korean brand Cosrx. Not sure if that's even how you pronounce it, but it's a peptide cream that you put underneath your eyes to help all of those bad baggages that you have underneath your eye. I'm gonna go right in with my La Roche-Posay Triple Repair Moisturizing Cream. I love this stuff. You get a lot of product in this bottle. I'm gonna go in with my Laneige. Love this stuff. It makes my lips so smooth. I'm gonna let my face kind of soak in all of the skincare for about 10 minutes. So while I'm doing that, I'm gonna get my kids ready for the open house.
Okay, let me look at you. Show me your outfit. I bought this outfit for him from Target, and yeah, he looks so cute. Honestly, he's such a game freak right now. It's so hard to just get him out of the house. Wow, look at my hello.
Okay guys, let's do this. So I am now going to show you guys my quick routine that I do. I've already applied sunscreen on my face, and then next what I do is fairly easy for just a natural mommy look. I'm going in with my Rhubarb and Rose Creamy Lip and Cheek Palette from Seraphine, and I'm going in with like the second color, this one right here. I use this all the time. Like, once I like the amount that I put on my face, my cheeks, my nose, then I would just go in next with my mascara. I'm using Killalash Super Proof Mascara. I love this stuff because it's so easy to like wash off. And after I'm done doing that, I'm gonna go in with my Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, and I'm just gonna spray my face. I guess this just makes me feel better. Is it even necessary? I don't think so, but yeah. And then that's basically it, guys. And then I'm gonna do my hair quickly before we head out. There's gonna be a big storm coming, so hopefully that doesn't mess up my hair.
Okay.
Be like
Right
this.
here.
Oh, that one.
Smile, Nolan. Look at mine.
We are done.
Dude,
That
so,
was
like-
so fun, Nolan.
So fun.
Open, please.
Yes, I can.